Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by preparing both devices. Make sure your Airpods and phone are charged and updated because connectivity issues mid-flight waste time. Put your phone in airplane mode, then manually enable Bluetooth so you can pair without cellular interference. Open the Airpods case near the phone and follow the on-screen prompt to connect. This ensures a fast handshake before takeoff. Once paired, test audio at low volume and enable noise control if available, so you know how ambient noise will be handled once the cabin gets louder. Once airborne, familiarize yourself with switching modes. Use transparency to hear crew announcements and active noise cancellation for longer listening sessions. If audio drops, go to Bluetooth settings and reselect the Airpods manually. This fixes most intermittent issues. To conserve battery, use one bud at a time for calls or switch to mono listening, and keep volume moderate to reduce strain and extend playback time. Make sure to stow the case securely in carry-on and close it between uses so the Airpods can recharge. As descent begins, check crew instructions and disable Bluetooth or remove Airpods if asked. For stubborn connection problems, reset by holding the case pairing button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes, then repair. This clears most firmware glitches. If the Airpods still fail, switch to a wired backup or airline-provided headphones so you don't miss safety announcements. Finally, store your Airpods in the case and put that in your carry-on. This protects them during baggage handling and preserves battery for your next flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.